Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful video for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 8 brilliant ways for you to detox your body and to lose that weight. Now these are wonderful ways that's going to help you to get rid of that weight even faster. Alright, so let's get into this video so I can show you how to get that weight off because there's still time. Yes, I said it. I'm going to show you how to detox your body and how to get that weight off. So let's start this video right now. Sugar, caffeine, alcohol, fast foods. We really put a lot of things into our bodies that aren't necessarily the best thing for us. We love to indulge in all sorts of different types of foods, but every now and then is good to give your body that needed break to flush out all of those toxins from our bodies. Detoxification is the process of removing the impurities from our bodies to help it to function better and in fact feel better. Now on top of all that, detoxification is also the key to losing that weight, which in return your body can feel better focusing on burning that excess fat rather than working hard to eliminate toxins. Now your body will show you that it is time for detoxing. You may feel sluggish, foggy headed, or just tired most of the time. Now, if you're seeing flare-ups or some sort of skin issues popping up, or if you're experiencing unusual headaches or stomach problems, it may be a sign that your body needs to be restarted. So here are some ways that's going to help you to flush your system from the inside out. The first thing you should do is avoid toxins. The first step to any cleanse is to eliminate the toxins from your body. Avoid the cigarettes, alcohol, coffee, saturated fats, and refined sugars, all of which will definitely put a strain on your system. Number 2 is to step up your water game. Staying hydrated is essential to any successful detox. So take your water intake to an entirely new level. What you should do is drink a full glass of water before each meal as well as throughout the day. Drinking lots of water helps to clear up your skin and contributes to a properly functioning digestive, respiratory, and circulatory system. Number 3, you need to eat right. Focus on hearty greens, lean meats, and lots of fiber, but avoid all of that processed food. Number 4, de-stress. Now, I've mentioned this to you before, but when you're stressed out, your body releases chemicals like adrenaline and cortisol. As these hormones build up over time, they act like toxins in your body and will contribute to an overall blah feeling. Okay, you're gonna feel blah. Now, you can get rid of these type of stressors by changing the way you respond to stress. When you feel your blood pressure is getting ready to rise, take 3 big, deep breaths. Remember that you have no control over other people's actions, only how you respond to them. Choose to respond calmly. Number 5, get a massage. A gentle massage is not only relaxing, but it's a manual way of releasing toxins that have built up deep within your muscle tissues. It's also good for improving your circulation, so whether you go to a masseuse or give your own self a massage with your hands, a tennis ball, or a foam roller, be sure to drink a lot more water before and after your massage, and this is to flush out the toxins that has newly been released in your bloodstream. Number 6, practice yoga. When it comes to detoxifying your body, yoga is one of the best forms of exercise around. Yoga focuses on the connection between the mind and the body, helping you to detach from the stresses of your day-to-day life and to focus on your breath and movement. Practicing yoga is a stimulating and cleansing exercise for your muscles and your mind. Plus, if you break a sweat, you will be eliminating toxins through your skin too. Number 7, hit the sauna. Another way to help your body sweat out those impurities is to hit the sauna. Sit in the sauna until you are nice and sweaty, but not so long that you feel uncomfortable. Anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes will do the trick. And again, drink plenty of water to replace the fluids that you're sweating out. Number 8, get more sleep. A lack of sleep wears your body down and leads to increased stress, poor mental performance, and weight gain. You should aim for a minimum of 8 hours every night during your detox. Your body needs time to recharge and absorb all the clean nutrients you've been giving it. Okay, that's the end of this video. I thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I hope that all of you have great success on your journey. And if you have any questions, don't forget to list them down below, and I will see you again in the next video. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.